Hello friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be cooking jasmine rice in the Instant Pot. It's very easy to cook rice in the Instant Pot. All we need is 1 cup of jasmine rice and 1 1/4 cup of water and a 4th teaspoon of salt. I don't rinse rice, so this is 1 cup of dry rice. If you rinse your rice, you will only need 1 cup of water instead of 1 1/4, because some water would be absorbed in the rice. But for dry rice, 1 cup of rice and 1 1/4 cup of water. So let's open a little bit Instant Pot, and I'm going to add 1 cup of jasmine rice, and I will add 1 1/4 cups of water and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and salt is optional. And now let's close the lid of the Instant Pot. Turn the valve to a sealing position, press the pressure cook button, and set the time to 4 minutes on high pressure. Now the Instant Pot is done cooking, so let's let the pressure release naturally for 10 minutes. Now the steam has been releasing for 10 minutes, so at this point we're going to quick release the remaining steam. Now the steam has been released and the pin has dropped, so let's open the lid of the Instant Pot. And here is perfectly cooked jasmine rice. And now let me take it out of the Instant Pot. Look how fluffy this rice is. Perfect texture. Perfect. Look how easy it was to cook jasmine rice in an Instant Pot. You will love it. Now let me try it. I'm so excited about trying it. Delicious. This rice is perfect. It's perfectly cooked with amazing texture. Instant Pot is the easiest way to cook rice. For a free printable recipe and other easy Instant Pot recipes, please visit my website, MelanieCooks.com, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!